Alright, let's talk about something that might seem completely out of reach for most college students: investing. Seriously, when you're juggling classes, maybe a part-time job, and trying to figure out what you're having for dinner, who's thinking about stocks and bonds? You're probably thinking, I barely have enough money for textbooks, let alone investing. And you wouldn't be wrong. The traditional image of investing, men in suits on Wall Street, complex charts, frantic trading, it's intimidating, expensive, and frankly, feels light years away from the ramen noodle budget. But what if I told you that investing, even with the spare change rattling around in your pocket, could be a real, tangible way to build wealth for your future, starting right now, in college? What if there was a platform designed specifically to make investing accessible, even for those of us who are operating on a shoestring budget and have zero financial expertise? Today, we're diving deep into a popular investing app that claims to do just that: Acorns. Is Acorns truly a game changer for college students, or is it just another financial gimmick? We're going to break down everything you need to know about investing with Acorns as a college student, covering its features, benefits, potential drawbacks, and ultimately, whether it's a smart move for you. Let's set the scene. You're in college. This is a time of incredible growth, learning, and, let's be honest, often a tight budget. You're probably focused on getting good grades, making connections, and maybe enjoying the occasional social event. Financial planning might be an afterthought, or worse, a source of stress. But here's the thing: time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the more powerfully compound interest can work its magic. Think about it. Those pennies, dimes, and quarters you barely notice spending today could be building blocks for a significant financial future. This is where Acorn steps in. Their whole philosophy revolves around micro-investing, making it easy to invest small amounts of money regularly without disrupting your daily life. They aim to simplify the investing process, making it approachable for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by the complexities of the stock market. So, let's unpack exactly what Acorns offers and how it might fit into your college life. The core feature that put Acorns on the map, and perhaps what makes it most appealing to college students, is its roundups feature. Imagine this: you buy a coffee for $3.25. Acorns automatically rounds up that purchase to the nearest dollar, in this case, $4, and invests the 75 cents difference. It's like a digital piggy bank that automatically funnels your spare change into investments. You link your debit and credit cards, and as you go about your day, those small amounts accumulate. Once your roundups reach $5, Acorns transfers that money from your linked checking account into your investment portfolio. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is incredibly powerful because it helps you invest without actively feeling the pinch of larger sums being taken out of your account. For college students who might not have a lot of disposable income, this passive investing can be a revelation. You're building wealth without even realizing it, turning everyday purchases into opportunities for growth. Beyond roundups, Acorns also allows you to set up recurring investments. This means you can automatically invest a fixed amount, say $5 a day, $20 a week, or $50 a month, directly into your portfolio. This feature, combined with roundups, really accelerates your investing journey. Even a small, consistent contribution can make a significant difference over time, especially with the power of compounding. Think of it: if you manage to consistently invest just $50 a month throughout your 4 years of college, that's $2,400 invested, not including any gains. And that's just a starting point. Now, let's talk about the investments themselves. Acorns isn't about picking individual stocks. Instead, it invests your money in diversified portfolios made up of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Think of an ETF as a basket of different investments, stocks, bonds, or other assets, all bundled together. This diversification is crucial for managing risk. Acorns offers several expert-built portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive, and they'll recommend one based on your financial goals and risk tolerance after you answer a few simple questions. As you get older and your financial situation changes, Acorns will even automatically rebalance your portfolio to stay in line with your goals. This hands-off approach to portfolio management is another major benefit for college students who are new to investing and might not have the time or knowledge to research and manage individual stocks. But Acorns isn't just about investing spare change. They offer a suite of financial tools designed to help you manage your money more broadly. For instance, Acorns later allows you to open an individual retirement account, or IRA, which is a powerful way to save for retirement with potential tax advantages. While retirement might seem like a distant dream during your college years, starting early can give you an incredible head start. Even small contributions to an IRA now can grow into a substantial nest egg by the time you're ready to retire. They even offer a 1% or 3% IRA match on new contributions depending on the subscription tier, which is essentially free money for your future. Then there's Acorns Early, which is a custodial investment account for kids. While this might not be directly relevant to you as a college student, if you're thinking about your younger siblings or even future children, it's a valuable feature within the Acorns ecosystem. It's a way to start investing for their financial future, and unlike 529 plans, the funds can be used for a variety of expenses that directly benefit the child, not just education. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.